या पूर्व को बता तब तीन है
Hello. Lesson 48. Today we will learn second law of Faraday's law of electrolysis. So electrolysis, Faraday's law of electrolysis, the second law of Padua. This law states that the amount of substance deposited or dissolved at different electrode by passing of electricity during the process of electrolysis is directly proportional to their chemical equivalent. Okay, so here it says that this law states that what amount of substance deposited or dissolved at different electrode by passing same quantity of electricity, that is Q, during the process of electrolysis is directly proportional to their chemical equivalent. तामाने जितने को amount of substance deposit होगा कि dissolve होगा different electrode रे, तो कहाँ संगे रे directly proportional like chemical equivalent संगे रे. Okay, so mathematically we can write this will be W proportional to E. Okay, here W equal to amount of substance deposit or dissolved at different electrode during electrolysis, and E is chemical equivalent. Okay, so here we have to take example. Suppose we have taken three vessels like this. गोटे भेसल रे सपोज आम एजी NO3 नहीं आ गोटे भेसल रे कपर सल्फेट नहीं आ गोटे भेसल रे H2SO4 नहीं ओके सब गुड़ा कौन होती ना ये सब गुड़िक सीरीज रे कनेक्शन होती ओके सो हियर द इलेक्ट्रोलाइट इज प्रेजेंट लाइक AgNO3 हियर द इलेक्ट्रोलाइट इज प्रेजेंट लाइक योर copper sulfate and here your electrolyte is H2SO4 okay for example you can write for example three vessels were taken and electrolytic solution like AgNO3 copper sulfate and H2SO4 were taken so three vessels were taken and electrolytic solution like AgNO3 copper sulfate and H2SO4 were present in the three vessels and three vessels were connected in series. If we first Q quantity of charge through the vessel through the electrolyte, then according to the first law of electrolysis, then according to the first law of electrolysis, Q is proportional to Q, W is proportional to Q, this is equation 1, and W copper proportional to Q, this is equation 2, and W is proportional to Q also. आम को बर्तमान इक्वेशन नवा ना आम खाली सिंपली लिखा फास्ट लॉटा को से कौन हो पार जदि तीनटा भेसेल कौन अच्छे तीनटा इलेक्ट्रोलाइट अच्छा AgNO3 ये कपर सल्फेट ये H2SO4 और तीनटा भेसेल सीरीज कनेक्शन होती जदि Q अमाउंट ऑफ चार्ज पास करा जाए से इलेक्ट्रोलाइट भितर तो फास्ट लॉ कौन कहूँ तो अमाउंट ऑफ सब्सटेंस deposited at the referent electrode is directly proportional to the quantity of charge passed through the electrolyte. तो कितने quantity of electricity दिया है Q, so W is proportional to Q, W copper proportional to what? Q, and W is proportional to Q. So we got W as is proportional to Q. W proportional to Q এটা গোটে থিলা WH proportional to Q এটা গোটে পাইথিলু আমি এঠু এটা পাইলো that is WAG equal to ZAG Q আমি এঠু এটা পাই গলো আমি জানিছু ফার্স্ট লো দিস ইজ ইকুয়েশন 1 सब एठू हमें कौन पाइलो W का पर इक्वल टू Z का पर इनटू Q दिस इज इक्वेशन 2 एंड एठू हमें एटा पाइलो WH इक्वल टू ZH Q दिस इज द इक्वेशन 3 yes or not yes so by taking ratio between equation 1 and equation 2 we have W AG by W का पर इक्वल टू ZAG Q by Z का पर Q if Q equal to 965 coulomb then WAG by W का Q equal to ZAG into 96500 divided by Z copper into 96500. This is the another equation we got. This is the equation I have. We know that equivalent mass equal to Z into 96500. Hence, WAG by W copper equal to E AG by what? E copper. So this is the final equation from the second law of Faraday. So here W AG and W copper is the amount of substance deposited and Z equal to electrochemical equivalent. Your E equal to equivalent mass. So according to the definition of second law of Faraday's law of electrolysis, mass of copper deposited divided by mass of Ag deposited equal to equivalent mass of copper divided by equivalent mass of Ag. So, according to second law of electrolysis, amount of substance, what is the second law? Second law ta kon achi? The amount of substance deposited or dissolved at different electrode by passing same quantity of Q charge during the process of electrolysis. That is directly proportional to chemical equivalent. माने equivalent mass संगे कौन हो? Directly proportional हो. तो second level से हमें लिख पारियो mass of copper deposited by mass of Ag deposited equal to equivalent mass of copper by equivalent mass of the Ag. This is the equation we got by taking the ratio of equation 1 and 2. Yes or not? Similarly, by taking the ratio of equation 2 and third we have what? The mass of hydrogen liberated by mass of copper deposited equal to equivalent mass of hydrogen divided by equivalent mass of copper. We know that equivalent mass of Ag equal to 108. Similarly, equivalent mass of copper equal to 31.5 and equivalent mass of hydrogen equal to 1.008. So, emanok bhitore equivalent mass kar adhika na Ag re adhika. So, ami likhi pariba by passing same quantity of charge Q, more amount of Ag will be deposited. Okay, so second law here, second law have to determine the equivalent mass of the substance. Okay, so here what happens? Equivalent mass of Ag equal to how much? 108, and equivalent mass of the copper equal to 31.5. Similarly, equivalent mass of hydrogen equal to 1.008. So, equivalent mass kar adhika? Silver. So, by passing same quantity of charge, that is Q, we get more amount of Ag. That means more amount of Ag will be deposited at its respective electrodes. So second law आपको कौन साहाଯ୍य करे? Second law help determine the equivalent mass of substance, and first law is the extension of the first law extension part होची केटा second law. तो second law द्वारा हम equivalent mass टा कौन कर calculate कर परियो. Okay.